Summer's Lab presents Amphibians. Hiya! My name is Summer Beach, and I am super excited to be a part of your first look at science. I promise this is going to be more fun than eating a portobello mushroom burger topped with spinach, blue cheese, and balsamic dressing. I wish that I could zip you all to my lab to teach you all about science, like we did for the Sassafras twins, Blaine and Tracy. But alas, Ulysses and I aren't able to do so. Did I mention Ulysses S. Grant is my lab assistant yet? He's quite the smart little Arctic ground squirrel and super helpful to have around. But we are not here today to talk about me. We are here to learn about the amazing creatures known as amphibians. Before we begin, I must ask, have you ever played Froggy? Other than the fact that they are really good at hopping, what do you know about frogs? That was very interesting. Did you know that frogs are part of a group of vertebrates known as amphibians? The word amphibians means two lives, and the creatures in this group literally have two lives. Amphibians hatch from eggs and spend their early days swimming around in the water as fish-like larvae. Then they grow legs and their tail disappears. The animals spend the rest of their lives as frogs, toads, or salamanders on land. We call this process metamorphosis. Since amphibians begin life in the water, you can usually find them living in damp areas near water. They typically have smooth skin and are cold-blooded, which means they don't make their own heat. Okay, it's your turn. Take a look at the pictures below. Can you point out which is the fish-like larval frog, the one that lives in the water? And which is the adult frog that lives on land?